Hello, today we are decorating mugs with Sharpie paint markers. Included in the kits are a plain white mug, a heart stencil, 3 oil paint Sharpie markers, and a pair of gloves. You will need to provide rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover as well as have access to an oven or dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Before you get started, you're going to prep your mug by cleaning the surface with rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover. Once you've done that, make sure to handle the mug with gloves on. The natural oils from your skin will prevent oil paint Sharpies from sticking. Peel the heart stencil and carefully adhere to your mug. Next, take your paint markers and shake them before getting started. You will need to press down a few times until you see the paint saturate the tip of the marker. Now create your design by dotting around the edges of the heart. You can create a starburst effect by condensing the dots around the edges of the stencil. The further you get away from the stencil, spread the dots further out. Let each color dry a minute or two before moving on to the next so they don't blend together. Let the paint dry for 48 hours before removing the stencil. If you have any paint leakage under the stencil, use a Q-tip and some of your rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover to wipe off. Next, you're going to seal the design by baking or applying dishwasher safe Mod Podge. To bake, place your mug in a cold oven and turn it on to 250 degrees. Cook for 2 hours and turn the oven off, letting the mug cool completely in the oven. For best results, hand wash your mug. Hope you enjoyed the project and see you next time.